magic, it's ingredients that work. Over 40, you want ingredients that are not only anti-aging, but also tackling specific concerns in your skin and reversing damage that might already be there. These are 3 products that every woman over 40 needs to have in her bathroom. Number 1, the Volu-Firm Lifting Serum targets the triangle of youth, the areas where we start getting aging and sagging skin. This is going to tighten your skin. It's going to firm the skin. It's going to hydrate the skin. I focus this on what we call the triangle of youth. Through here, this is like your triangle, and my forehead. Next is the Dynamic Wrinkle Limiter. This is a newer product, and think of this as a non-toxic, non-chemical injectable. It gives the same effect, 75% as effective as injectables, and this goes on my forehead. I also apply this right here through my 11 line, and I also apply it under my eyes where I get some smile lines, and I do some right here too. And finally, the Deep Wrinkle Filler. This is a topical filler that plumps in the deep lines and fills them in for the day. Also reduces the severity of them over time. It's targeted with retinol and hyaluronic acid and many other really great anti-aging ingredients. What I like to do is using this little pointy tip, fill in the areas that need to be targeted. I just tap it into the area and fills it in for the day and softens everything. I love, love, love these 3 anti-aging products. So in your 40s, in your 50s, it's not magic. It's about the ingredients and products you use. DM me for my 3 top anti-aging must-haves for over 40 skin.